In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft To Do to organize your day by managing tasks effectively. This powerful tool is designed to help you streamline your daily activities and keep your to-do list at your fingertips. Let's dive right in and learn how to make the most of it. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft To Do app. You'll find it on your Start menu, provided you have downloaded it from the Microsoft Store. If you haven't installed it yet, don't worry, you can start using it on the web by visiting todo.microsoft.com. What's important is that you sign in with your Microsoft account, the same one you use for Outlook or OneDrive, to access your tasks. Once you're signed in, you're ready to explore the range of features this app offers. Let's begin by adding a task. To do this, simply click on Add a Task, or if you're on a mobile device, tap the plus icon, input your task name and hit Enter. This will add a task to your list, getting you on track right away. After creating a task, you can further expand its details. Click on the task to set a due date or reminders to ensure you never miss a deadline. If a task is complex, break it down into subtasks for better manageability. You can also add notes for context, or mark a task with high priority if it's urgent. Organizing your tasks into lists can greatly enhance your productivity. Consider creating separate lists for different areas of your life, such as work, personal, or shopping. To create a new list, click New List from the left sidebar, or use the mobile app, allowing you to group related tasks with ease. Use the My Day feature to focus on today's goals. You can add tasks to My Day by selecting any task and clicking Add to My Day. This helps you concentrate solely on the tasks you need to tackle today. Once tasks are in My Day, they'll stay there until marked as completed, which helps you maintain focus. Recurring tasks are another handy feature of Microsoft To Do. Set tasks to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly to manage routine chores effortlessly. Simply click Repeat when creating a task and choose how often you'd like it to occur, keeping your schedules on track without repetitive effort. Don't forget to utilize reminders. Add them to timelined tasks which need notifications, ensuring you're reminded exactly when you need to be. You can also set these reminders to repeat based on your preferences. Another useful mode is the focused mode, which includes the plan section. This dashboard lets you view tasks scheduled for the future, and the important section helps you zone in on high priority items. Finally, collaborating is simple in Microsoft To Do. Share lists with others for joint projects or shared goals. Open the list, click the share button, and invite people via email or link to get everyone on the same page. To wrap up, remember to begin each day with the My Day feature to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Set clear priorities, break down big tasks into smaller chunks, and review your lists regularly to stay on path. By consistently using Microsoft To Do, you'll efficiently manage your time and tasks, leading a more organized life.